Hey, bestie, what if I told you that with just $300, you could start your own skincare brand? Yes, for real. Today we're breaking it all down from what to buy, where to buy it, and how to turn your first batch into cash. Grab your notebook because we're turning your dream into a business. Welcome to episode 1 of the Bestie Business series. This series is for you if you've been dreaming about launching your own skincare line but felt held back by money, confusion, or overwhelm. I'm walking you through how to launch 6 real skincare products for under $300 and actually start selling. In this series, we'll be making 6 beginner-friendly, high-quality products your customers will love. A gentle foaming face wash, a hydrating green tea toner, a brightening face cream, a creamy body wash, a whipped body butter cream, a luxurious body oil. Each one is made with simple, science-backed ingredients and no fancy equipment needed. Ingredient starter kit. Plug why you need them. Let's talk ingredients, bestie. These are the basics you'll need to start your entire skincare line. I'll explain what each one does and give you easy, beginner-friendly subs too. Distilled water. This is your clean liquid base. Use it in toners, face washes, creams. Never tap water. Sodium phytate helps extend shelf life by boosting your preservative and preventing discoloration. Glycerin, a skin hydrator. It pulls moisture into the skin to keep it soft and plump. Xanthan gum thickens watery products and keeps your face wash or toner feeling silky. Must be pre-mixed with glycerin. Sunflower oil, lightweight, non-greasy, and great for all skin types. Adds moisture without clogging pores. Shea butter, deeply moisturizing and soothing. Perfect for body butters and rich creams. Emulsifying wax, the matchmaker that blends oil and water into one smooth cream. You need this for lotions and body butters. Beeswax adds thickness and skin barrier protection in balms and butters. Stearic acid, a plant-based thickener that gives body to creams and washes. Makes textures feel luxurious. Cocoa glucoside, a mild plant-based cleanser that removes dirt gently. Great in facial cleansers and baby-safe formulas. Diesel glucoside, slightly creamier than cocoa glucoside. Also gentle and good for sensitive skin. Cocoa betaine, cocamidopropylbetaine. Boosts foam and softness in washes. Helps create that bubbly lather. SCI, sodium cocoyl isethionate, a creamy solid surfactant. Gives body washes and face washes that rich, foamy texture. Always wear a mask while handling. Green tea extract, a calming antioxidant. It soothes skin, reduces redness, and adds marketing appeal. Niacinamide, brightens skin, evens tone, and supports the skin barrier. A superstar ingredient your customers will love. NAG, N-acetylglucosamine, pairs beautifully with niacinamide, helps fade dark spots and adds gentle exfoliation. Vitamin E, a natural antioxidant that protects oils from going bad. Also soothes and repairs skin. P E9010 preservative Keeps your product safe from mold and bacteria. Must have for anything with water. Okay, bestie, here's your starter ingredient kit. These are affordable, multi-use, and perfect for beginners. I'll explain what each one does, how much you usually need, and how much to buy as a beginner. Total raw ingredients. Budget, $98 to $110 depending on supplier. Here's your starter toolkit. You don't need a lab, just these basics. Mask, $5 for working with powders like SCI or niacinamide. Beakers, 2x 250 ml, $10. Heat safe and reusable. Spatula, $2 for mixing and scraping. Pipette set, $3 to measure small actives. pH strips, $5 to test every water-based product. Hand blender, milk frother, or stick blender, $10 to $15 for proper emulsions. Plastic jars and bottles, 20 pieces, $15, mix of 50 and 100 milliliter sizes. Total tools, budget, $55 to $60. You can get these from trusted suppliers like Pure Actives Co., Lotion Crafter, Amazon, and AliExpress for packaging and blenders. Can't find something? I got you. I'll give you a list of substitutes for each ingredient in every episode. Once you've made your products, here's how to start selling. Open an Etsy store or a Shopify starter plan. Use Instagram or TikTok to post before, afters, behind the scenes, and benefits. Check your country's cosmetic labeling rules. Include product name, weight, your business name, full INCI list, batch number, and safety warning. And that's your official skincare startup starter kit, bestie. In the next episode, we're formulating our very first product, a gentle foaming face wash. Like, comment, and subscribe because you're not doing this alone. We're building your brand together.